Hey, it's Paula with WTI, and I was going to share a product that I think you guys are going to definitely appreciate this summer, because I know a lot of us are ready to get out of our houses and we're probably still going to try being outdoors as much as possible while doing it. So coolers are going to be everywhere. Look at this thing. This is called the Cooler Shock, and it replaces 6 bags of ice. Like this little thing right here. So I am so excited about this because I personally hate coolers with ice in it, because it is like a germ bowl in there. Like I just see everyone digging their hands and it's just really gross. And to top it off, you always have to have a drink cooler versus a food cooler, because you don't want the stuff to get soggy and wet. You're not gonna have that problem anymore. You can have it all in one bag, because this thing right here is super efficient. I know they have those big bulky block ones, but they don't hold their temperature for very long. This guy right here can stay cold for up to 48 hours. So I really like that. And you don't have to store it in the freezer once you've prepared it. You can have it storing at room temperature and just put it in whenever you're actually planning on using it for the next day. So how do you make this an ice pack? Well, it comes with the powder in here. I don't know if you can hear that. That's the Cooler Shock technology in there. This actually was developed originally to transport blood, fun fact. So the way you prepare it is you're gonna put the funnel inside here and fill it up with the amount of water it tells you to. Be precise, because things expand when they're frozen and you do not want this to burst. So take care of measuring correctly. Then you're gonna put the silicone cork in there, and once this has been prepared and mixed, you are never gonna open it again. It is done. That is how it's gonna stay. It's gonna turn into a gel, and you just reuse it over and over again. So put it in your freezer whenever you want it. I'm really looking forward to this, because we live in warm temperature, and I know I am always looking for ice packs or having to stop by the store and grab ice. So I highly recommend if you're gonna be outdoors a lot this summer, but that's just my point of view.